Hi friends, welcome to my mini kingdom. Today I am going to tell about animals and young ones. Cat and kitten. Dog and puppy. Rabbit and bunny. Goat and kid. Sheep and lamb. Buffalo and calf. Pig and piglet. Donkey and foal. Duck and duckling. Camel and calf. Cow and calf. Horse and foal. Bear and cub. Elephant and calf. Eagle and eaglet. Yak and calf. Lion and cub. Hen and chicken. Tiger and cub. Turkey and poult. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos. Bye.